Ryan is very busy right now tracking two systems this week.
Yeah, we've had some snow in the mountains, especially near and north of Route 2 today, and a little freezing rain. But it's really Thanksgiving that everybody's paying attention to. Right now, you really don't even see much of a storm on the map. It's just coming in from the west coast into the Rockies, but it strengthens tomorrow and especially tomorrow night. There is a slice of some dry weather, though, in between these two systems. So if you're traveling tomorrow, the weather will cooperate up and down the east coast. Right now, though, we do have some snow falling at a pretty good rate around Rumford up to Rangeley over to the Carrabassett Valley. Once you get south of Route 2, it is a little bit warmer, so we may have some rain or maybe some pockets of freezing rain in spots. A mix of snow and rain through a lot of the county right now. Some of this bright banding here actually probably melting snowflakes that the radar is seeing. Just plain rain for the Penobscot Bay region, most of the mid-coast, and in southern Maine, we're starting to dry things out. Still drizzle and a few showers are left right now. 32 in Rangeley, 31 in Greenville. So once you get to near and north of Route 2, that's where some roads may be dicey right now. But in central and southern Maine, we're safely above freezing. So for the rest of the night, these showers do move out. There will be some snow that still falls in the central highlands and up north. But overnight, we should clear things out. And by tomorrow morning, we'll start with temperatures in the upper 20s and low 30s. There could be a brief flurry or snow shower in the mountains tomorrow morning, but really nothing to worry about. We'll have a mix of sunshine and clouds, a little brisk with a west wind coming in 10 to 20 miles per hour at times. But all in all, a pretty good day tomorrow with temperatures getting into the low and mid 40s across most of the state. Now here's the storm tomorrow morning. Again, still at that point, not very formidable, but once it taps the Gulf of Mexico and then the Atlantic, it draws in some moisture and it begins to strengthen on approach to the northeast. This is 8 o'clock Thursday morning, and at that point there will be rain in southern New England, rain in New York City for the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade, and then snow on the north side of this system, which will include parts of Maine and New Hampshire Thursday afternoon into Thursday night. So we'll show you the closer timeline here. 6 o'clock Thursday morning, most of the state will be dry. Some showers begin coming into southern Maine during Thursday morning, but probably in the form of rain near the coast, maybe a mix of rain and snow, showers through the late morning and midday closer to the New Hampshire border. Even at noontime, we're still dry in central and eastern Maine, but you can see the shield of precipitation coming in from the south. So during the afternoon, that begins spreading north. Now we're going to have an east wind coming in off the ocean all afternoon. So that ensures that for a while, within about 10 or 15 miles of the coast and into much of eastern Maine, this will be rain. But Thursday evening, the wind starts to back down to the north a little bit, and we may change the rain over to wet snow, even close to the coast. So I think Thursday evening is when travel is going to be at its worst. May have snowfall rates inland close to an inch an hour, and then this does wrap up and we'll get it out of here by Friday morning. The biggest question in the forecast right now is, will that rain snow line Thursday evening come down toward the coastline? Right now we're hedging that it probably doesn't do so in a big way, but either way, I think the potential is there for at least 3 to 6 inches from northern York County, west side of Sebago Lake up to Route 2, and then 3 to 6 inches north of Bangor as well, with amounts collapsing down as you get closer to the coast. Still some fine tuning to that forecast, so we'll have you covered between now and then. Tomorrow seas will be running 2 to 4 feet out on the water. So a quiet day tomorrow, and then an impact on Thursday from that storm, which may begin as rain in some places, but likely switch to snow late Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening. The last place to change over would be the coastline. And then once it moves out, we have a quiet stretch of weather, but it will be cold as we start December. Temperatures actually below average for an extended stretch.
Yeah, we have not seen 30s in a while.
The snow that falls may stay on the ground for a while too.
And let that drop in temperature.
All right, Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.